In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions on QuickBooks Online. We'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can manage your business finances with ease. Let's dive in, starting with signing into your QuickBooks account. First, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the sign in button prominently displayed on the page. This is your gateway to access all your financial data and tools within QuickBooks. Next, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This step is crucial because QuickBooks offers several products, and selecting the correct one ensures you're on the right platform tailored for your business needs. Now, enter your login credentials, your email or username and password. After filling in this information, go ahead and click on Continue to enter the QuickBooks Online dashboard. If you have any trouble, make sure to double check your credentials or use the forgotten password option to retrieve or reset your login information. With access to the dashboard, it's time to locate the Transactions tab. Hover over the main navigation menu and look for the Transactions option. Clicking this tab will take you to an overview of all your recent financial activities, a critical component for business accounting and auditing. Once you are in the Transactions tab, you will want to focus on the Bank Transactions section. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the transactions that have been processed through your bank account. This is where you begin sorting and categorizing each transaction to reflect accurately in your accounts. Next, direct your attention to the Categorize or Match column. Here you will see different transactions with status tags like Match Found, Uncategorized, or similar labels, depending on the nature of each transaction. Finding a Match Found tag means QuickBooks has identified a potentially matching transaction, making your categorization task a lot easier. Click on the transactions with the Match Found label to initiate the categorization process. You'll see some pre-populated suggestions from QuickBooks designed to assist you in ensuring everything is accurate and in line with existing records. After confirming the match, click on the Categorize button. This simple action allows you to review and amend categories as needed. Make sure to double check each category to ensure it represents the transaction accurately, as this will be crucial for your financial records. Once you're satisfied, complete the process by selecting the correct category for your transaction. QuickBooks offers a range of options, so pick the one that aligns best with the activity at hand. Always remember that accurate categorization helps maintain draft-free financial records and simplifies future audits or economic reviews. Finish the whole process by clicking on Add. This final step ensures your transaction is not only correctly categorized, but also officially added to your ledger. Doing this keeps your accounts up to date and organized. And that's it. By following these steps, you can comfortably categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online, keeping your financial records precise and neatly arranged. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!